Welcome back to the channel, you guys. Recover Tactical reached out to us and sent us their conversion kit, the 2020 N for Glock pistols. So this is the mag grip. It does fit a Glock mag double stack. I think it's 9mm and 40. So this Recover Tactical kit is in FDE. They also threw this in. They threw in some extras, so you got to choose what you want with the kit. A lot of this stuff that's in here, I don't know if it comes with it, so you got to make that decision when you go online. So this is the UR20/21 upper rail for the 2020 stabilizer series. So basically, you attach this to the conversion kit, and if your pistol doesn't have a red dot, you can use this and put a red dot on it. Now, Eyes and Ears Tactical wanted this, so I'm going to go ahead and send this out to them because really I don't have any use for it. So Eyes and Ears, that's on the way, bro. I'll open it and show it to you guys in a second. So we have your conversion kit, again, in FDE. This is glass reinforced polymer, pretty much the same thing that your Glocks is made out of. Everything you need to know about this conversion kit is included in here. They do suggest that you read this and get familiar with the product. These would go on the top of your slide, and it would help you rack the pistol while it is in the conversion kit. They're not necessary if you have a red dot, but they do help. We have some more adapters for the slide. We also have like a bungee cord sling. And this kit also does come with the G7 holster. You mount this on the front of your pistol on the Picatinny rail. And then you have the included G7 holster, which is actually a pretty nice holster. And you would mount this holster like this with the screw. 2 Picatinny rails for each side of the conversion kit. YouTube, this firearm is clear. There's nothing in the chamber, nothing in the magazine. We are clear. Safe direction.
Black bitch, got a two-way team with me. Come on, Ricky. Sit this in two-way sentences. That's what the business is. Put on your eyes and ears. We about to get tactical. About to light up the whole damn city, bro. Wanna go from toe to toe. Here come Ninja. Aim that M81 camo. I'm back, bitch. Silver and black bitch. Got the whole team with me. And we about to light up the whole damn city. Silver with black bitch, got the whole team with me. We about to light up the whole damn city. We about to light up the whole damn city.
So check it out, man. I really like how nice and compact this is. Now this magwell grip does not have a release button like the new one they offer, but it does lock in there, and the retention on it is very good. You have to put your thumb right here and pull out to release it. Well, I do like that. And we went ahead and put the Enforce light on there, and 904 Duval was right. This light is just perfect for this thing. It's a really dope conversion kit. I like it so far. You can still have a suppressor on this joint if you want. So far, I really like this Glock conversion kit. I think it's very well made. It's very well designed. I also like the included G7 holster. That is a good add-on, and it works very well. If there was one disadvantage that I don't like to this, it is that this is not a toolless design. It only takes a couple of turns and that thing is tight. But still, I would have liked to see it with a toolless design. I would also like to see maybe some place to store this Allen key. Maybe like a slide in here type deal or something. And then that way you could just pull it out when you need it. I would also like to see a QD point somewhere on this thing maybe, instead of this little ring. It does look like this ring will still do the job. So there you have it, you guys. This is the Recover Tactical Conversion Kit 2020N for the Glock model. I really appreciate you guys sticking around and watching the video. We would also like to thank Recover Tactical for sending us out this conversion kit to unbox and review. There will be an affiliate link down in the description below. If you do decide to use that affiliate link, it will be at no extra cost to you. And you guys already know the deal. If you like the video, like the video. If you ain't subscribed to the channel, well, damn, subscribe to the channel, man. And with that being said, see you all on the next one.